Nice stiff arm, George. Nice tackle, Pete. Nice tackle.
I thought I put a knee down. Daddy. Yep. I thought I put a knee down because he went like this.
Yep. All right, George, your turn to kick it off.
Why?
Oh, it's second down?
Yeah.
Oh, fumble! Ball's loose! Ball's loose! Go low, George. Go low for his legs. Atta boy. What? Okay. Good job, Pete. Frozen tundra. Fumble! Ball's out! Ball's out! George got it. Nice recovery, George. Third down. Pass the tree. Fourth down, George. What are you going to do? You're going to punt it or you're going to go for it? Go for it. You got to take first down. Punt it. Smart move, George. Smart move. Too early in the game to take a chance. George. Oh, he called for a fair catch, George. That's a penalty. That's a penalty. 15-yarder. Interference on George. Not allowing the offensive player to make the catch. That's an automatic. First down. Right. Although when you punt, you have to put your arm up in the air and wave like this. Because that's a fair catch signal. Alright, here we go, first down. Nice tackle, George. Alright, that's it for the video. Say bye.